this video to press like and subscribe button. Thank you. I've talked about SpaceX and its CEO's vision of Mars colonization, but also Lunar Base, and longer term colonization of the entire solar system. However, none of this comes cheap, and none of that possible without massive investments. Although Elon Musk could go and seek investors for his ideas, and no doubt he'll be able to get few on board, perhaps even raise 20, maybe even $30 billion. Problem is, as alarming this might sound, 20, maybe even $30 billion won't be enough for what Elon Musk is proposing. Proposed Mars Base Alpha alone could cost in the region of $20 billion. Mostly in cargo missions to deliver engineering equipment and necessary supplies. There is limit to what 3D printing and tunneling bots can do. If we consider each BFR system consists of Big Falcon rocket and Big Falcon spaceship, comes at a conservative $575 million, and SpaceX plans to send at least 4 BFS systems to Mars. The cost of sending people to Mars won't be cheap by any stretch of imagination. So how does Elon Musk plan to finance his Martian adventure? Well, he could go to financiers and investors, but lesson from Tesla might be one of the reasons why looking for investors for this particular project isn't ideal. And most investors want their money back, ideally in a short space of time. Tesla has its own issues and financially won't be capable of generating profits on scale. SpaceX needs to finance interplanetary missions. So there must be something else. And yes, there is something else. It's called Starlink. And not many people know about it. I made a video about it a while back, link in the description. So what is Starlink, you might wonder? For those who don't know what it is, there is a brief explanation. Starlink is a satellite constellation that will provide worldwide internet cover with 6 GB high-speed internet service, initially throughout